Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. This is Masai Mara. Yes, so we are heading to Masai Mara, and me and the two volunteers. So, but unfortunately, we got we got a tire burst there. As you can see, our car is there. In fact, we were using this car to Masai Mara, but unfortunately, we had like a puncture. So we are just fixing everything, guys. As you can see, this is Masai Mara. There is a lips here, as you can see. It's really beautiful. So we are waiting for another car to pick us, Prado. So guys, really nice, and we're gonna enjoy Masai Mara. So this is one of the guy here helping. Say hi. Yes, guys. So it's really beautiful. We are waiting for another car to pick us. And the two just went over there to see the zebras and so the one of the guys just went with them in the bush, guys. It's really nice here. People are helping us, so it's really beautiful. Look at this Masai Mara. We are almost to the park. We are almost to the gate. So it's really nice. It's really beautiful. It's really chilly morning. Gonna see the animals. A lot of animals today. Yes, guys. Really nice. Thank you very much for always watching my videos, subscribing to my YouTube channel. The I think the no it's So we're gonna start our safari. Here we are at Olelolo gates, and everyone is just queuing to pay for to go inside. This is our gate. This is our gate, Olelolo. It's really beautiful. One of our volunteers there waiting to pay. It's really nice, guys. This is Masai Mara. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. Look at this big jeep. Yes. Narok County, Mara Conservancy. Welcome to Masai Mara. Masai Mara. This is Masai Mara. It's beautiful. Everyone is queuing to go. Yes. The passport. It's very big.
What's the name of this in
The
English?
horn.
Horn. Look like a
Another one is there.
hair.
Another one is there.
Yes.
There are two.
There is two more on this side.
Is men.
Yeah,
There is no female.
They are males. We still have females, yeah, but both are males.
Also females have.
They still have horns, but you can see there is a difference. The female horns, they are more curved than male ones.
This is Mara River. Welcome to Mara River. This is Masai Mara.
Hi guys.
Yeah. It's beautiful, eh? It's really beautiful. Say something.
The video.
Yeah, you're enjoying?
Yes, a lot.
A lot, eh? It's really nice. Eh? Beautiful. Yeah. So finally, when we got the puncher, the wheel had problems, so we had to take the Prado. This is our Prado. Finally, we are using this Prado. Very big Jeep, eh?
Yes.
Prado.
We are lucky.
Yeah, we are lucky. Yes, it's beautiful, Masai Mara. Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Oh, hippos.
Yeah, we're going to see there. We're going to see them very close. Hi.
Very.
Yeah, it's beautiful, eh?
Oh, you jumped in the water.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Yeah, we can go. Aje, iko poa. Fresh.
How many times can they stay
In the water.
in the water with the
With
also
the-
with the face?
I don't know. We'll check.
Funny. Like,
Wow, it's swimming.
You can try from the other side.
There is
because
crocodile.
We are going to see more on the other side.
to see more.
Wow, it's very big, huh? Crocodile.
Ni kubwa.
it's my first time.
Haya, twende. See many.
Impala.
Yeah, that's an impala. Male one. Females don't have.
That one is very funny. Like a ball. Like a ball. Very sad.
Later they will come outside.
When?
When it's getting hot, they come
Oh, okay,
out.
okay.
Yeah.
I think also these two in the water, half and half. Are
Yeah.
hippo.
Hippos, yes. Wow, that is a crocodile. It's very big. Let me try to zoom.
Okay. So,
Big crocodile. Crocodile. This is very big, eh?
crocodile is the most older
Yeah. Okay.
from the answer which one?
The crocodiles.
Yes.
You remember I told you they can live up to 100 years.
Yes. Oh, I my question.
Turtle. You know
Ah,
the
okay.
turtle?
Yes. Yes.
The turtle can live up to 150 years. Have you ever seen the turtle?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But not this.
I
Sorry,
think,
because I don't
think-
speak very well.
no problem. I think from dino is turtle, and I think number.
Dino.
Move. And sleeping.
He's fast.
He's enjoying the sun, basking. Yeah?
Wow.
He runs.
Wow, it's very big, eh?
Have you never eaten a crocodile? In Italy, in Milan, there is a place where you can eat the meat, strange meat from the wall, like crocodile. Yes.
Kangaroo.
Yes.
Listen, see.
I don't know.
Hello. Pale kwa zile magari. Tunarudi tu hapo. Bado si ndio niko hapa mbele yenu.
It's so big, the lion. Very but lazy, sleeping.
Remember, he's the king of the jungle.
Yeah.
Have you never seen lion do his?
Ah, it's walking.
Yeah, I've seen it many times. Many times.
I wanna.
Pindua hivi. Acha.
Leopard.
Ndio ile inaonekana kwa nini?
I can't see. It's the white one.
No, not the white one, yeah? You look on top of the tree
Yes.
and see the head. Forget about the white thing, yeah? The white thing is the meat, is the food. And then on top, on the left side, on top of the tree, on the left side,
Is it like brown?
is the real part, yeah. It's like brownish.
I see the tourist thing and I see
How many kilos?
Big ones, 5,000 to 6,000 kilos.
5,000 to 6,000 kilos.
That's 5 to 6 tons.
That is 6 to 5 tons.
5 to 6 tons, yeah.
Wow.
The little one.
You want to take a look?
I want to cross maybe.
There are 3, and I can see 2 more.
Those are hippopotamus. Very many. Hear the sound. Buzima. Can you see the crocodile?
No. Ah, yeah. No. Yeah, hippo. Ah, no, là.
We only eat God. Too hot. They will look for a swamp area, an area with water. They use the trunk. They fetch the water,
Elephant.
yeah, and put the water in the bag to cool off their body. Yeah. And sometimes they use mud because of ticks. So they put the mud to prevent against the bite from ticks. Yeah.
Very intelligent.
Yeah, they are very
Always, they get you their house.
Papa. Hapo.
Is that one that eat?
It snakes and insect.
Snakes.
Yeah, both snakes and
She's male or female?
is a female one.
Is so funny when they run. a lot. There is a little.
Look at them, they don't move. Like statue. Ah, the monkeys. Huh? A lot of monkeys there. Wow. Wow, a lot of monkeys, eh? Yes, finally we are done with our safari. Really beautiful was this, really beautiful, guys. You know, we saw a lot of animals, big monkeys, zebras, cheetah, hyena, a lot of things, guys. So it has been really, really, really amazing here at Masai Mara. We are now almost going back to the village, Nyabohanse. So it's really nice. Yes, our Jeep Prado is there. Yeah, really nice. It's really, really nice. And there's a lot of monkeys. A lot of monkeys. The two volunteers with the guide. Beautiful. Yeah. These are anti hills. You can see them, beautiful anti hills. Really nice. The monkeys are disappearing. So this is Masai Mara. Your experience, how was it?
Beautiful.
Huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. You love it, eh?
Yes. A giraffe also.
Experience.
No words. It was incredible.
Incredible. Nice.
Would recommend 100%.
Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Yeah, monkeys. So this is Masai Mara paradise. See the monkeys there.
You have to go.
No, no, no.
Feel free?
You can take picture from that.
Yes.
Don't go too close, yeah? Up to that point.
Okay.
With the baby. Wow, it's beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow, with the baby. Ah, he's carrying the baby. Twende. Look at these. Wow, beautiful. Look at these. Wow, amazing.
This is the father.
Oh. Wow.
Incredible.
Iko na mafuta
Very similar.
na ukipiga inazungusha. Usiangalie betri, angalia betri hapo. Angalia damino zake. Hizo madamino yenye inatoa moto inapelekea huko kwa dashboard. Angalia kama imeshika. Imeshika kwa betri vizuri.
Kama
Rudi nyuma kidogo. It's beautiful, eh?
Zebra is perfect. She looks like painting.
So guys, finally we are going back home. I just want to say thank you very much for always watching my videos, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also my returning subscriber. All I believe is teamwork. Yes, it has been very good day. Bakwaheri, asante. Thank you very much guys, and keep supporting me, keep watching my video, and God bless you all. I love you. Bye bye.